Today, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing without a website. Hey guys, this is Lester Diaz, and we're going to talk about how I'm using videos to basically make money with affiliate marketing. And most people think that in order to make money online with affiliate marketing, you got to have some kind of fancy websites, or you need landing pages, or you need this and that. Now, if you don't have a lot of resources to get started, if you really want to jump into affiliate marketing, you don't need a lot. All you need is the ability to identify winning products and be able to just create small videos that help you rank on YouTube and allow you to make sales over and over again. In fact, I'm going to show you proof that this actually works. But first of all, let's talk about what exactly is affiliate marketing. Well, affiliate marketing is basically promoting someone else's product. Most likely you have stumbled upon products and services on multiple websites like Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo that basically are products that other people create, and you get a commission for referring a sale. Most of the time is 50% commissions. In the case of Amazon, it can be between 4 to 10%. But I'm going to show you how this method that actually works that you can start applying, and I'm going to show you with proof. In fact, this is something that I've done multiple times in the past that I still keep doing in different ways now, but I'm going to show you that it's more than possible to make money using this method. What I usually do is I find products on affiliate networks, and one of the most popular affiliate networks out there is jvzoo.com. You can go on jvzoo.com and you can sign up for a free account. JVZoo has thousands and thousands of products on so many categories that you can promote as an affiliate, and basically it tells you what that commission would be once you get approved for that promotion for that product. So as you can see, they have so many products, and I'm not an affiliate for all the products, but they have you know thousands of products that you can promote, and you can find them on by category. In fact, you can just go to any category and you can find and promote products on entertainment, business, cooking, basically anything that you can think of. And you can use these products to promote on YouTube. You can actually create review videos, and this ones actually work really well, where you don't necessarily need a website. All you need is you just grab a link from your affiliate network from that specific product, and you can go on YouTube and you can create a video around that product, talking about what exactly is the product and how does it work. I've done this multiple times, and it definitely works. In fact, I'm going to show you. This is just some of the proof that I did with just 3 videos. One of the things that I did is I created multiple YouTube accounts to upload a specific type of videos on specific industries. In fact, I didn't want to have all the videos on different topics and categories on a single channel. So what I would do is I would go and create a YouTube channel where I would talk about only internet marketing products, and then I would create another channel where I would talk about only like let's say cooking products and things like that. That way I would keep my channel separated and they would not be all mixing into one big YouTube channel. So this definitely works. This is one of the products that I want to show you that it has actually made some money, and it just continues to make money on a monthly basis. And I haven't actually worked on that product, on promoting any of that product for the longest time. This is the name of the product. So it's called Social Lead Freak. When I actually bought it a little bit over 3 years ago, I want to show you the video. It's right here. So what I would do is I would actually buy the product, mainly because I would like to test it out and make sure that the product actually worked like they said it would. For this type of products and things like that, you can usually find very little competition. So that would mean that I could go create a video and easily rank it on the first page of YouTube. So as you can see, it says Social Lead Free Review. If we type that on YouTube, let's put Lead Freak Review, you can see that the video is actually ranking on the first page of YouTube, actually #1 spot out of 4,000 results. So there's not a lot of competition for this type of products. mainly because there's not a lot of people searching for this type of products. So when you find affiliate products and you try to rank on YouTube for the actual name of the product, the people who are searching for this stuff, they already stumble upon the product. They want to know more before they actually make that purchase decision. So they usually go on YouTube or Google and they try to find some information about the product to see if it actually works. So that's what I did. I would actually go and buy the product, and I would create this review videos about the product, and I would rank them on YouTube. And that's this one video has made me really automated money because I didn't have to do anything else. Just uploaded the video once, and it made me money. I did that with a couple other videos, as you can see, a couple other products, and they continue to make money on a monthly basis. Not a lot of money, but if you can upload a video from one time and continue to make money from that video for the next 5 to 10 years, wouldn't you say that that's actually a very good deal? And I'm not paying for a website, I'm not paying for hosting, I'm not paying for any of that. It's basically on YouTube by itself. So could you apply this method for other stuff? Yes, actually, in fact, like I said, I've done this with multiple channels, multiple products, and I did it, as you can see, for Facebook Crushers, one of the products that I promoted, and then I did it for another product. But you could do this with JVZoo. There's thousands of products that you can find on JVZoo. And you can also do it for Amazon, for example. Amazon has an affiliate program where you can sign up for free. You can earn, as you can see from here, up to 10% in advertising fees. So let's say that you have, you just purchased a new phone and you wanted to create a review video about that specific phone. Most likely you're going to find that Amazon is selling that phone. So if you can create a review video about that specific phone and brand, and you upload that video on YouTube, and you are able to get that video to rank on the top 5 spots of YouTube, you're gonna get some traffic, and that traffic sooner or later is gonna turn into sales for you because you're generating traffic that's interested in that specific product. So using that same method, you can go and you can find thousands of products from Amazon that you can use to create review videos and make money and monetize your time on YouTube without YouTube ads or any of that. You don't necessarily need to have YouTube ads to make money on YouTube. That's my best advice, is to just go out there, use affiliate marketing to find affiliate networks. There's clickbank.com, JVZoo, Amazon.com. There's so many affiliate networks. If you type on Google affiliate networks, you'll find that there's so many of them and so many products that you can promote. It's all a matter of finding the right products to promote and you having the time to create the actual content. Of course, you don't want to set up just any video. You want to make sure that once you're uploading videos about a specific product, that you're creating a review of a product that someone might be interested in buying the product, just like you would research a product that you would buy online. So just don't make any video with images, because I've seen that images and a few texts and expect people to buy. You actually have to create a video about the product, explain what it does, what you don't like, what you do like, and hopefully if people find it that the video provides enough information, they'll actually reward you and actually go and buy the product, and you'll get a small commission. So that's how you make money with affiliate marketing without a website. There's other ways to do that. For example, you can also go on Craigslist.org and you can promote affiliate products on Craigslist by creating listings. There's also Facebook ads that you can do. But Facebook, when you talk about promotions and affiliate products through paid advertising, it's a little bit more complicated because not all of the products are approved into the whole promotion thing. There's a few steps in between, and you're talking about spending money. What I'm talking about, creating videos about reviewing products, you can do it without spending a dime. In fact, if you can find products at your home that you purchase on Amazon, you can create videos about those products, find them on Amazon, and actually earn commissions when you have those videos ranking on YouTube. So that's my method to you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, and I'll be uploading more videos about different topics and marketing techniques that you can use to build an income online and hopefully become an entrepreneur and make some money. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.